Hi, welcome. We're going over the file that's the most important, Hlwm, which is auto start. And we've explained you from 1 till 44. So now we go ahead with Hlwm start. There's something specific in the sense that we have a function here. The function is actually client something. So there is a command. If we type hlwm something, we get these two commands. So when you install the package hlwm, that's what you get. And what you need to do is actually start learning what can I do with that. I can client all these kind of things. I can I don't know, choose to type this one, and again go for attributes for the monitors, etc., etc. So it keeps on going. The text keeps on. The possibilities are enormous, and it's the same with the other one. So I think it's the best one to do Hlwm. And what you need to do when you have a completely new desktop is read, get through these things, and try to understand what this is all about. Okay, so deleting that again. So we have a command that's called client, and then something behind it. So client, and then emit hook reload. So we start everything and we say to the system, hey, look, we want a tile not vertical but horizontal, if you can, please. Okay, and then unbinding. No keys have been set, so everything is cleaned out. So starting with a clean installation, let's say. Then we decide up here, which is not a difficult choice for us, because all our tiling window managers is always super as main modifier. We always say super T, super this, super that. So yeah, mod is a variable, and inside the variable is mod4, which is super. So every time we need this thing, we need this dollar to say, hey, this mod thing is actually a variable, go get the variable. And it says here mod4 is shift X quit. So now it's time to use your keyboard shortcuts. Now this guy is a really heavy one, in the sense it's going to quit formally the Hlwm, so it's actually gonna close. Let's give you the example. Bam, it's done, it's out, you're out. So super shift X is something that you may or may not want to use if you're typing something and you haven't saved anything or something like that. Then it's closed, it's quit, really quit. So test them out. As a super shift R is an important one. Reload it, you change something in the config. Super shift R, reload the config. Super shift Q and mod Q are both things that we use in other tiling window managers. Close stuff. And these things, I left them in. These are remainders of the original Hlwm, but like I said, we want to focus on SXHQD. So Arch Wiki SXHQD is the simple X hotkey daemon. So all our keyboard shortcuts, the bulk of our keyboard shortcuts are there. So hashtag out, not used. So that's the main thing, and I think it's best we quit here and talk about the movements later.